The things I've experienced at CHAP is a lot of exciting, fun arts and crafts.
Mia is an artist in that she knows what she wants to do. She goes for it, she has a plan, and she just lets her creativity take her.
Anything with art is possible at CHAP. You can do anything you want, and it's just one of the best places on earth. When I go into CHAP, I just feel like I can do anything that I want with art. I can just go at it.
At CHAP, children are known for their ingenuity and creativity and never for their diagnosis or disability. CHAP's three main programs are the in-hospital programs, the community outreach programs, and our art clubs.
I love how CHAP includes everybody and meets them where they're at. I love that they can just show up and be accommodated and be creative.
CHAP can adapt to people and how they can do things and how they want to do things. It makes me feel comfortable. I have met a lot of friends there, and just recently at summer camp I met some really great friends.
You could be going through really hard times, but you stop, you do art together, and there's something about it.
The kind of art program that CHAP runs is so amazing and provides so much opportunity. We wouldn't be able to afford it normally, and being able to have that access for Mia is really valuable to us.
Most people that are coming to CHAP have a huge amount going on that nobody sees.
I wouldn't be where I'm at with art if it wasn't for CHAP and those supporters.